Good morning. I hope everyone is having a wonderful start to their day. We're going to do morning meeting, and then we're going to look at our classroom website to look at the daily schedule. And I'm going to show you, just in case you haven't found it, how to get to our special area activities. All right, so let's start with today is. Remember, this picture means today. And today is Thursday. Can you touch Thursday? Good job. The sentence says, today is Thursday. All right, the month is. So we've talked about it, and this month is very rainy, just like today. So can you find the month that has rain on it? April has a rain cloud and rain on it. April is supposed to rain a lot. So the month is April. Good job. All right, and the date is April 23rd. All right, the weather. Remember, you need to go look outside to see what the weather looks like. You can look out your front door, your back door, a window. So right now it's raining, and I'm looking at the weather forecast, and it's supposed to rain all day long. So the weather is rainy. Yuck. And the temperature is about 53 degrees. So the temperature is cool today. Touch cool. Cool. Good job. All right, we're going to go over to our classroom website. So this is what our classroom website looks like. And remember, daily schedule. Sains is going to click it and look at our daily schedule. All right, it says today's schedule, Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. So today we have morning meeting, your virtual field trip, work on those IEP goals on Boom, math, and language arts. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our website. So here's where you find all of your work, which most of you all have been working so hard on, and I'm so proud of. So if you want to do any of our related arts activities, you can go to the home button at the top and go down, and this is our related arts page. See, it has the gym teacher and music and art. So on Thursdays when we're in school, we have bowling, which we really can't do online. We have life skills. So Miss April's life skills class. So you can click on her, and she gives a little bit for your parents to read to know what's going on. And she has cooking activities if you want to do that. But this is what you're supposed to do today. So it says that there's recipes on here you can try. And we really just want you to participate when you're doing those, if you do any of them. So make sure you wash your hands. That's always the first step. And then you can use the pictures from the cooking lessons if you want. Try to use your senses, your sight and your smell when cooking, and have fun. So if you do any of these, you can send me pictures and I will send them to Miss April. All right, so that is our daily schedule for today, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.